Today, we are making hot legs. You got it right, guys. We are making legs, and they're gonna be hot. We've got a whole package of chicken legs here. We were thinking about hot wings, but we wanted more meat, so we're making hot legs. So barbecue hot legs are on the menu.
This is Texas Style Cuisine. I'm John, and this is Johnny, and today we're gonna make some hot legs.
Hey guys, we got these chicken legs out there, and like I said before, we wanted some meat on them. We're gonna throw them on the slow and sear kettle, right? Do a little offset cook. We're gonna show you how we have that, but this is a recipe John likes to do, so we're doing it together. Come in here close and we'll show you how to season these legs up, and then how to get them on the pit, how we have the pit set up, and then we'll show you the sauces we're using also.
All right, guys, today we're gonna be using a special binder, so stick around and see what that is.
We've got 6 pounds of legs out here, guys, and the cool thing about legs and wings, they're a whole lot cheaper, right? So you can buy, these were $1 a pound, so we spent about $6 buying 6 pounds of legs, so they're gonna go a really long ways. Just check these. If there's any bone shards or something to go on there, we have to take care of that. But one of the big things we want to do now is make our binder that's going on here to hold our rub. Our rub today is going to be Freebird from Ric's Texas Barbecue, but Ric Galindo, good guy. It's Ric's Barbecue and Specialties is his YouTube channel. So he's a really good guy. You might want to check that out and he's got 3 different rubs now. And so he's got an all-purpose, he's got his beef and hog, and now his Freebird. But we're gonna do this first. I'm gonna let John show you. He told you we had a special binder. So we'll let John tell you what's going in the binder today.
Okay, so first we're gonna put a little bit of mustard in there.
We're probably gonna do maybe 3 tablespoons of mustard. We got 14 legs here, guys, so go pretty far. And what's your special ingredient, John? Show them the label there.
All right, guys, we're gonna put about 2 tablespoons of this El Yucateco Mayan triple extra hot sauce in the binder to spice up our legs.
And guys, this is the secret ingredient we were telling y'all about. I gotta thank Mike over at Everyday Barbecue. He kind of turned us on to El Yucateco, didn't he, John?
He sure did.
So anyways, I've got a couple of tablespoons of this, and that's really gonna add a kick to those legs. Just stir it up good. That's all right. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more mustard just because we got a bunch of legs there. So 3.5, maybe 4 tablespoons of mustard and a couple of El Yucateco Mayan Triple X. We're going Triple X with these today. So there's our binder, guys. Let's bring our legs back right there. And John, you want to start maybe painting on the binder, and I'll turn them for you. So John's gonna paint a little bit on them, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take them from him and kind of thin it out a little bit so it's not really thick. Slide those his way. And then once he gets it on, I just thin it. All right, but we want a nice coating of this on each one of our legs. And in fact, I've got it all over my hands now, so we just do it like that, right? But guys, that Mayan sauce from El Yucateco is gonna put a wonderful, wonderful flavor on these. Still got plenty of our binder there, John?
I do.
Okay, so we're still going. And guys, you don't want to overload it with mustard, but you want that sauce on there, that hot sauce. So, but I promise you, it's gonna stick and it's gonna come through. John makes these all the time. He loves good hot wings, and he does these hot legs too. So may have to play some ZZ Top or something on here. We got legs, right?
Yeah.
They had, her version was She's Got Legs, but today we got legs. All right, so that's about ready to go. And John, why don't you show them the rub we're using while I finish up here?
All right, today we're gonna be using Galindo's Texas Barbecue. This is his Texas Freebird chicken seasoning.
Don't want to get too, ooh, I got pepper in my eyes.
Watch out,
Wind's blowing today, guys, out here.
Afraid of getting too far.
This is a pool day, and it's actually the day before my birthday. So we're celebrating tonight. I'm gonna be 60 years old tomorrow. And so this is a pre-birthday celebration out at the pool today. I'm gonna turn all these over for John where he can get the other side real good. Tag team these hot legs.
I'm trying to hold it up high, but that wind is...
Wind's bad out here on this hill we live on today, guys.
Around.
Hey, and be looking, we're gonna start a YouTube channel, Wallace Hill Outdoors, right? So we're gonna be talking about guns and camping and fishing, anything outdoors. Probably primarily guns though, right? It's gonna be a lot of gun action on there, but we're gonna be doing that and show you all of that. So let these sit, let them sweat out. We're gonna check our fire. We're looking for 275 to 300 and we'll get these legs on there. Here we go, guys. We're up at 300 degrees, so we're gonna start getting legs on there, right? And 14 legs is gonna about fill up this slow and sear kettle. I can promise you that. So, and what kind of wood you say we had on here today, John?
A little oak and some mesquite.
Little oak and mesquite. Guys, South Texas, you gotta have that mesquite wood down here. People enjoy mesquite. They like that flavor, but it can get bitter if you're not careful. So we're careful with it, but we do like it also. Try not to get those legs too close. All right, we have foil down in the bottom, and so the air comes up, goes over to the slow and sear through our charcoal and our heat. Then it's gonna flow back across and come out the exhaust. So all that smoke is soaking into our chicken and that heat, and it's gonna flow and give us a good heat. With that chicken not being right over the fire, we are not gonna get any flare-ups or anything like that. So 300 degrees, so we're thinking an hour and 15 minutes. Those are some good sized legs, but we'll see y'all in about 45 minutes. We may move some around. Let's pick this up. Look at these birds. These legs have been on for about 45 minutes. And guys, as you can see, they're getting color on them. They don't have enough. I'm gonna add some twigs of oak in here just to increase our smoke level, all right? Want to add some more color to them. So we're gonna close that, take the front ones, move them to the back, just move some things around so that we can get a little better distributed heat on here, right? So let's move our 3 here in the back. These are our most cooked, bring them back here. All right, there we go. Those are looking pretty good. I say about another 15 minutes and we'll get these sauced right at an hour. There they go. Let's close them up. They creeped up. They're about 315 when I uncovered this, so that's fine. It crisps the skin up. And we're looking at a total of just slightly over an hour if we go another, I'll say 15 minutes and then 10 minutes with the sauce. We're looking at about an hour and 10-minute cook. Let's open this up. Chicken's a lot of color. That little bit of just the twigs I added in there added color to them. We're gonna get them off and sauce them up, and we'll show you what kind of sauces we're gonna use.
All right, guys, so the 2 sauces we're using today are from Team Kosmos. We're gonna be using their peach habanero barbecue sauce and some of the cherry apple habanero rib glaze.
All right, we're gonna flip these over for you real quick and we'll sauce the other side. John's just getting a little sauce up off the tray. No sense of leaving that on there and wasting it, right? So we'll sauce this side good. We're gonna get them back on there and we're gonna set that sauce. You've probably heard me say we're gonna candy up the sauce. Well, that's what we're fixing to do. And we're getting a little bit low on our rib glaze, the cherry apple habanero. So we're doing 6 of those and we're doing 8 with the peach habanero, right?
Oh, just the opposite.
Cherry apple.
Cherry apple, we have a
habanero. Just got a little bit, and with our other one was a new bottle, so we had plenty of it. So we're just gonna kind of do that, get that rib glaze. Hey guys, rib glaze is not just for ribs, right?
Cover that real good.
These are nice and sticky. It's got a good little spice to it. It's a sweet flavor. So these hot legs are gonna be tremendous tonight. And remember, we use that El Yucateco on them. Check out Everyday Barbecue over there. Mike, he's the one that turned me on to this El Yucateco and all their great sauces. This need to turn?
Yep.
There we go. All right, let's sauce those. And we'll keep these kind of separate on the grill so we know which ones are which, right? Now, if you wanted to, you could heat up your sauce a little bit, pour it across them. It'd flow a little better if you don't want to brush. So if you were doing these like for a turn-in for a contest or something and didn't want the brush marks, you just heat it up and pour it across them so it'd flow good. But there we go. We're going to get these and get them back on that pit. 10, 15 minutes. They're all going to be up in that, 165, 170 by then. We'll let them cool and then we'll try them out. Let's get them back on the pit, John.
right, guys, it's time to get these off. Oh, the color looks great on them. That sauce is candied up perfectly. None of them look to be overdone. Everything's cooked evenly. Those wood chunks you added really added some good color to it.
All right, guys, we're gonna set these up. Nice. We're gonna get some pictures. We're gonna give y'all some close-ups, let y'all see everything.
All right, guys, this took us about 1 hour and 5 minutes, including sauce and everything. Had a little bit of rest time now, so now we get it.
It's about time to try these. They're looking good, beautiful color. Guys, this peach habanero and of course the rib glaze, which is a cherry apple. They're both very good. They both put some beautiful shine on them, right? They're very shiny. They picked up a lot of smoke. They're gonna be great, but we're gonna give these a sample. And the heat factor on these guys is gone up because remember, we put the XX extra habanero sauce from El Yucateco on there. It's extra hot. And so that base of the binder we used is gonna add to our heat a lot. So we're gonna get these, try to give them a try and see how they turned out. Which one you wanna try?
I'm just gonna try the one on the end here.
All right, he's going with the cherry apple, okay? And I'm going with the peach habanero barbecue sauce. They're still hot. Yeah. Been sitting a while. They're still hot.
Just about perfect. Oh, that's good. Spicy, but not overly spicy.
Oh yeah.
Just about the right amount. The sauce is great too.
But I think this is a hit. What do you think?
I do too.
Very, very good, guys. Thanks for stopping by Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine. Remember to support the channel. Best thing to do is watch the whole video and share it. Leave that comment. I always like to hear from our subscribers and the people that drop by. Hey, leave us that comment. Give us that thumbs up. Tell your friends and family about us. And we're going to see y'all down the road on Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine.
How them boys put food away beats all I've ever seen.